Today is the BENZ day. G-Wagon and SLS AMG Roadster. I did wrap this car like I think year and a half ago. I'm not sure what is over 14-15 months and looks good. He got the accident on the bumper. We need to rewrap the bumper and then driver door. Be with me. G-Wagon is finished. I'm gonna take it out and hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have here AMG SLS Roadster, and the owner got some scratch on the door, so we need to replace the door, and also he got the accident on the front bumper. We are going to replace it and then rewrap it again. In this video I will show you how to remove the mirror, because to wrap the door we need to remove the side mirror and also door handle. And for that one, first we need to remove the door trim. Door trim, if you want, because I had the video I did the first time I wrapped in this car, I'm gonna put the link here so you can go and watch it, how to remove the door trim. And then now for removing the mirror, first we need to remove this piece here. Same as door trim, have the same bolt, so not worried about messed up the bolt together. This one, some those black sticky stuff. Like this, and then when you want to put it back, just warm up a bit with the heat gun and then stick it again. So I'm gonna put this guy here, and then the reason I removed this one, because this is the harness for the mirror, and then coming all the way down to here. It has two connectors, one white one, one black one. And then from the inside you have to push those clip this one out. So, and then I cannot show you guys here in this area, and then in this area also have the two clips. It's coming from behind the one bar here. Actually that bar is holding the window regulator for going and up and down. So when you want to put it back, you have to bring the harness from the behind that bar. Otherwise it's gonna touch with the window, and then it's gonna be cut, and then so many problems. And then bolt is here, okay? One at the bottom and then two at the top. So before removing those, what they call it, those are key, or the things holding the cable, don't remove the bolt. So you have to put your hand in. One is here. one is here, window should be up, and then two upper part is here, so again you have to put the window down. Hold the cable in this area. Okay. And also size 30. Exactly same as the door trim bolt and that plastic cover here. Okay. Honestly, no room for the hand. So. And now time to remove that too. For putting it back, you for sure need someone to hold the mirror for you. Okay. Last one, and then now we can grab the middle out. So these two clip, okay, that's what I talk about. One is here and then one is here, and then two other one is here and then one is here. But that two first, then remove those two and then take the mirror off. Actually, after 14 months, that mirror holding everything well. That's how we wrap in Motogang. Look at that. Anyway, hope you liked this video and then using it. If you have any question, please comment below. I will check it and then answer by myself. Please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification so you not miss my video. Hope you guys doing great. See you guys very soon. Take care. Bye bye.